Have you ever pondered the possibilities of earning money online right from the cozy comfort of your own home? In an era of digital transformation, the opportunities are boundless. Today, we delve into 5 such methods of making money online that have proven effective for countless individuals worldwide. First on our list is freelancing. Freelancing, a term synonymous with flexibility, is a way of offering your professional skills to clients on a project-by-project basis. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or possess any other marketable skill, freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr can serve as your virtual office. You have the freedom to choose projects that align with your skill set and manage your own working hours. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility and the potential for financial growth as you build your reputation. Next up is online tutoring. Are you adept at a particular subject or skill? Then imparting that knowledge to others can be a lucrative option. Online tutoring platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are always on the lookout for experts in various fields. You can make a difference by helping learners around the globe, all while earning a decent income. Thirdly, we have affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a website with a reasonable amount of traffic, you can monetize it through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your platform and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Companies like Amazon and ClickBank offer rewarding affiliate programs that you can join. It's a win-win situation where you help businesses grow while earning a passive income. The fourth method is blogging. If you have a knack for writing in a subject you're passionate about, starting a blog can be a rewarding venture. Blogs can be monetized through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or by selling your own products or services. The key to successful blogging is consistency and delivering valuable content to your audience. Lastly, we have e-commerce. With platforms like Etsy and Shopify, setting up your own online store has never been easier. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or dropshipping items, e-commerce provides a platform to reach customers worldwide. To sum it all up, the 5 methods we've explored today, freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, blogging, and e-commerce, all offer unique opportunities to earn money online from the comfort of your home. Each method demands different skills and levels of commitment, but they all share the potential for financial growth and the freedom to work on your own terms. So explore these avenues, find what suits you the best, and embark on your journey towards financial independence. Remember, the digital world is your oyster and it's full of pearls waiting to be discovered.